So the last edit by Posh House is back at Travelers Home. What all do we get for the collection? We have beautiful jewelry, some nice glass jewelry. We have casual festive wear. Then we have chania choli full sets. Again casual care by Karkhana. Handmade jewelry, full sets with pockets. Chanias with pockets. Look at that. And then if you don't want to wear chania choli, you can wear something like this, like a nice gown. And then of course, a beautiful flare. So yes, where is it all happening? This is for 2 days at Travelers Home. So please do visit.
Hi, my brand name is Honey. I made this myself, Niyati, and today I have options in crushed chanias, in modal ones as well, in cottons as well. I have ready-made pieces as well, 3-piece like festive wear collection, some semi-stitched suits as well, and anything is customizable. I have dupattas, again customizable, and then I have blouses. I have blouses in whites, in plain colors as well, so anything is customizable.
The brand name is
Aboli Bhatt.
Boli Bhatt. Look at that. So she has an offer going on. This is for 13,000. So pick any one from this rack is for 13,000, and then pick any one from this rack is for 8 to 9,000. Look at that. So these are around 8 to 9,000.
Yes.
And what you are wearing? Can I see that?
8,000.
8,000. Very pretty. Then we have another brand. This is Emma by Bhumika, and with Ajrak. Nice. This is very pretty. Look at that little sequence work. Then we have another one in cotton.
Yes, cotton. Cotton with handwork.
Cotton with handwork. Look at that. And we have
Cost will be 14,000.
Cost will be 14,000. Perfect. Then we have German silver jewelry. This is all German silver rings. We have kadas. And earrings. मेरे favorite है ये वाला. And then this one. So the brand name is
Kapatika.
okay. Look at that. If you want to shop her look, that is also available. Do you customize?
Yeah, we do, but in Navratri we don't.
Okay, we don't feel this. We don't have time now.
Yeah.
So if you want to shop her look, that is also available. And they have more such nice, amazing pieces. Look at that. This is kachi work, ajrak mix. Oh, that's the
Another
dupatta.
one in silk.
Yeah, these are full pair.
Beautiful. These are all full pair.
And these are with silk.
Okay, with silk. So you have cotton and silk. So weddings के लिए भी चल जाएगा. That's in one brand. Moving on to another brand we have here is, look at their pairing. These are some nice, beautiful pieces. No dupatta look can be created from this. Perfect. And they have nice blouses. Check that out. So they have only blouses as well. Pura sequence mein. And we have. Name is
Avran.
Avrat. So they are displaying for the very first time. You have to show them some love. So this is the first one what she is wearing. Look at that. This is a nice
This is a
patla.
pure malt. With Chanderi dupatta.
Chanderi dupatta, and you will get lot of color options. So these are all the color options. Then this is their second one. Look at this. Pura work ke saath aayega.
This is in
Baja work.
shibori.
Shibori print.
Pure shibori.
We have dark colors and then we have pastel colors as well. Baki more shades are
It's
also
full
optional.
8 to 9 meters.
8 to 9 meters of ghera, and that's the
And it's
beautiful.
in the contrast combination of dupatta. It's in gaji with
Beautiful.
Mukesh and Badla.
And we have colors. So this is brand called Classic. Oh wow, look at that. They have pretty chanya, something in black, pure white collection. You can pair it up with another color. That's the first one. Then we have another brand here. Hi. Look at these pieces. They have full sets, dupatta, blouse and chania. And this is another one. Look at the blouse, dupatta and chania. Then they have very pretty, vibrant colors. And don't miss out their potlis. So these are all the potlis we have. Moving on to hair accessories. So these are all the hair accessories. Long neck pieces. Look at that. Then we have bangles. Look, the earrings. जैसे जूड़ा होता है, you can put that. And we have two clips. Your brand name?
Dream Closet.
Look at that. The Dream Closet is the brand name, and they have beautiful looks. Something like what she is wearing also you can see. Perfect. And she's also wearing one. So that's our first brand. Moving on to our second brand, we have Dhaga, the Studio.
Hello.
Hi, look at those pieces. The very pretty. Look at the flare. And if you want her look, that is also available. That's beautiful. Then we have only chanyas. So these are starting from only 1500. These are few options you'll get. Look at that. पूरे plain में नीचे border के साथ. And then moving on to handmade
मुझे आधे पौने घंटे में फोन करो, पोटर करवाना है।
Look at the jewelry.
हाँ, फोन करो करो।
This is all handmade.
फोन करो।
And this is another brand for only blouses. We have Kachi work, we have Ajrak, we have only dupattas. So these are only dupattas and bandhani. Then we also have very pretty saris. These are all the saris we have. Look at that. Then we have quad sets like this. Pure work ke saath. These comes with pants. Look at that. This is all work done. Then we have it in linen as well. Look at that. And then we have something like what she's wearing. Color options available in that. This is around 13,000. And the next brand we have here is oh, beautiful. And we have these Swadika. These are beautiful materials they have. These are the saris. They also customize blouses. Then they have fully ethnic traditional chaniya choli. This is Anna Ethnics. Look at full two-piece set. This is also a cute one. Like a no dupatta look. You don't need dupatta with this exactly. And अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ different पहनना है, like what she is wearing, we have that as well. We have beautiful range of dupattas.
Gota patti also.
This is in Gota Patti. Beautiful. Range क्या रहेगी मैम?
8,000 से सेट स्टार्ट होते हैं.
Set होते हैं. Okay, so 8,000 से we have sets. We have something very colorful. पूरा पटोला, कच्ची work. Look at it.